Hi, I'm Andrew Soares again with Evertz at ISE 2023. The other product line that I'm going to show you today is our Nucleus product line. It's AV over IP on 1 gig, 2.5 gig, or 10 gig network switches. These are all of our endpoints. So we have a variety of different sizes. We have single input, single output devices simultaneous. All of our devices that are bidirectional can do simultaneous video. We have our wall plate encoders over here and decoders over here coming out in a couple months, about 2 months time, April. We'll be releasing our wall plate encoders and decoders that encode directly from the wall plate. Some of the other products that we're showing as well are our quad split device. So we have a single receiver that can receive 4 networked sources and basically show it up on here. So that's what we're doing. If I use our panel, I'm just going to route a full size source and then route it back. Just showing like the ability to call up presets of quad split or something along those lines. We can kind of load up some. This is going to route to the other screen over there. We can do a different preset. 1 large source, 3 smaller on the side by side. We can do picture in picture. The picture in picture is over on this side. So this would be like a single receiver, single output, even like this wall plate, for example. I'm sending it 2 networked sources over a single network connection, and it has the ability to show a PIP. All of this is controlled by our session manager, which is a server that lives on the network. It's going to be shown over here. All of the devices that I add into the system show up in this list here, so I can give them their names. The IP address shows up here, the firmware that's running on it, and then again, if I want to go to the quad split device here, I can call up presets, load presets, or I can do some customization here, stretching and setting parameters. A couple other things I can do is I can build video walls, so I can create like a little 3x3, for example, and then assign my receivers to it. And then route a single source across that wall, so it stretches it, creates like a virtual output of a single source across multiple receivers. So yeah, again, AV over IP encoding at 1 gig, 2.5 gig, or 10 gig. And the website is av.evertz.com.